Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel and into my home. Today, I'm bringing you into my real-life, realistic fall morning routine. As you can see, I'm still in my pajamas because that's what I would be in when I do my morning routine. So what you're seeing is real life. It's not doctored for the cameras. Now that it's cool outside, I start my morning by opening up these large sliders. It brings that crisp morning air into my home. I'm usually up before 6 a.m. because I enjoy being up before anyone else in my home, including my pets. I also enjoy the time with my morning coffee. We have coffee beans mailed to us from Kauai. We toured the vineyard there and we chose the roast that we like best and that we wanted sent to us monthly. And as my creamer, I'm currently enjoying the Chobani Italian sweet cream. I use this morning time to sit and enjoy my coffee, watch the news, and catch up on any emails that I might need to tend to. Once my husband is up, I like to get in there and I like to get my bed made. Completing this task will give me the motivation to do the next task and then the next one and so forth. Typically, my morning routine is light because it follows a good evening routine. Last night, I set up my home to function well for this morning. I got my dishes into the dishwasher, I cleaned off the counters, I laid out my clothes for today, and I have all my supplements ready and divided up into daily storage containers. So all I need to do is wake up, follow my morning routine list, and then I'm ready for a busy day with my daughters and my grandkids. Alright, so now I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to go ahead and unload the dishwasher. And then I'll add in this morning's dishes back into the dishwasher. Starting your day with an empty dishwasher will set you up for a smooth evening routine.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming
A couple of weeks ago, I told you that I would be sharing with you a couple of supplements that I've added into my daily mix. I've gotten messages saying that you guys are eager to hear about the supplements. That gives me so much energy, the energy that you see here in my videos, while still having energy and time with my daughters and my grandkids. Now I'm going to share those with you here today. But before talking about them, I wanted to be certain that I was seeing true improvements in 3 of the major issues that I have in my life, which are fatigue, energy level, and brain fog. Now I'm going to share those supplements with you here in a bit. And by the way, this is not sponsored. I researched and obtained the supplements myself. I even contacted the very friendly owner to get you guys a substantial coupon.
With my claws and teeth.
I launch my Roomba every night before I go to bed, so I'm going to go ahead and get the fur all out of here so that way it will be ready for tonight. We named ours Manny. Do you have a name for your Roomba?
No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate. Don't turn off the light. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Okay, so we're out here on my back patio. We're going to watch Jenny sunbathe. And I'm also going to be working on a plant that just isn't doing well in the house. So I'm hoping some natural sun will help it.
Nothing is as sweet going so low. Nowhere I can ramble or roam. Could change my mind. Could slow my coming. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. Oh, I'm coming home. Leave open the gate. Don't turn off the light. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
All right, before I get my bathroom all tidied up, I'm going to go ahead and wash my face. My skincare routine is another thing that many of you want to hear about, so I'm going to briefly go over that with you here today in this video. Currently, I've been using the Lancer Method products for my face wash routine. This morning, I'm using the wash, and in the evening, I like to use the polishing crystals. Also, this face cloth is awesome. It easily removes all traces of makeup with just water. It's very soft and it has this very soft edge on it. I'll link it below. I'm pretty sure that it comes 3 to a package. Alright, before I put my serums on, I'm going to go ahead and tidy up this bathroom. So this is something that I do every single morning. I will wipe down the counters, wipe the faucet. If I need to clean the mirror, I'll clean the mirror. I also swish and swipe the toilet. Now, I'll do this bathroom one day, and then the next day I'll do my hall bathroom. Now, even though it's a guest bathroom, I still keep up with that bathroom because, you know, even after 3 or 4 days, if you don't clean that bathroom, it's going to get dust on it or in it. The toilet, even though the toilet's not being used, it will still get a ring built up in there. So I like to go ahead and take care of that every other day. That way, any guests come over, the bathroom is already clean. I don't have to worry about it. So that's what you're seeing me do today. I'm doing my bathroom today, and then tomorrow, whatever you see me doing in here, I'll be doing in my guest bathroom. So honestly, maintaining a bathroom like this only takes about 5 or 10 minutes tops. I do this because it helps to maintain that deep clean that I've done in this bathroom. I have my house divided up into 5 zones, and I deep clean one zone once a week. Now my kitchen, it takes 2 weeks to get all that done. So I only get to this bathroom every 6 weeks for a deep clean. So in order to maintain this bathroom, I have to be keeping up on it, which means that I clean it every other day. So that's why you see me doing that now. If you're new to zone cleaning or you would like to learn more about how I zone clean, I'm going to link a playlist at the end of this video to show you how I zone clean my home. Okay, so last night I checked the weather and I pulled out the clothes that were appropriate for today. So I'm going to go ahead and get dressed and then I'll show you my face serums. Okay, so for the past few months I've been using the Ordinary brand for my skincare. And I've been noticing a huge difference. I have rosacea and I have quite a bit of texture, and these products help to calm everything right down. Today I'm only sharing my morning routine with you, so you're only going to see me using some of these products. And to be honest with you, not all these products would work for every skin type anyways. And in fact, some of these products cannot even be mixed together. So in order for me to keep track of what can be used together, I have downloaded an app and it puts together a daily skincare routine for me. This is key if you're wanting to use different products for different issues. This app is called the Skincare Routine, and you can find it in your app store on your phone or on your tablet. Today it's telling me that I can use my Thayer's toner. Sometimes I'll switch this one off and I'll use a cucumber hydration toner that has hyaluronic acid in it. So every morning and evening I use Mychelle, that's M-Y-C-H-E-L-L-E, Renew Eye Cream. It's a retinoid and it has vitamin A and peptides in it. This stuff is very rich. I really like it, and it helps to tighten up all that skin underneath the eye. Okay, so the first serum on today's rotation is the Ordinary's Alpha Arbutin. It's 2%. This reduces the looks of spots and hyperpigmentation. I like to pat serums into my skin, especially when they begin to dry and feel a little tacky. This one is niacinamide and it's 10% with 1% zinc. This one regulates sebum. It also helps to reduce the size of my pores, and it helps with the blemishes that come with rosacea. To seal this all in, I like to use the Ordinary's moisturizer. It's nothing fancy, but it does help to seal in all these serums. And at the end, I always finish off with a sunscreen. I like to use a mineral-based sunscreen, and this one's called Paula's Choice. Now after this, I allow all this to soak into my skin for a good 15 to 20 minutes before I apply any makeup. When you're applying your sunscreen, be sure to cover your ears, the tip of your nose, and your lips. I use a chapstick that has an SPF in it. As a hairstylist, we were trained to recognize skin cancers or possible skin cancers, and typically you would find this on the ears, the nose, the lips, and the scalp. Okay, let's go back into the kitchen, and then we're going to talk supplements. These right here are my current supplements. I've been taking the majority of these supplements for months, if not years. Many of you know that I have RA, and I also have chronic Epstein-Barr virus, which can oftentimes mimic chronic fatigue syndrome. I take several supplements for inflammation of my joints, and the supplements that I'm taking have helped keep my inflammation numbers down enough that I'm not needing the medications that most RA patients are being prescribed. So I've currently been on the hunt for a supplement that would help with energy, focus, and brain fog. In my research of supplements, I came across one that's called Shilajit. It's known to help with focus and energy, and it has a calming effect on the body. Now, we know how much I need a calming effect on my body since I deal with an anxiety and panic disorder. But after delving in deeper into research on Shilajit, I quickly realized that it's important to find a company that specializes in processing this supplement. This isn't something that I would feel comfortable with buying from Amazon. When you Google Shilajit, you will come up with the leading supplement company called Chalk. Now, Chalk is a U.S. company. They manufacture here in the U.S., and they also ship out of their U.S. warehouse. They use premium organic ingredients and hot water filtered extractions. Now, all their products are bottled in a certified facility, and all the ingredients are tested for contaminations like heavy metals and bacteria, and anything that doesn't meet their strict quality standard is rejected. This is important to me because I've been physically harmed by a prescription medication, and now I'm super sensitive to many products. So I look for things that the majority of the public never considers when they're taking a supplement. I also appreciate Chalk's transparency on their full disclosure label on the back of their bottle. Unlike 90% of the supplement companies, Chalk practices full disclosure labeling, meaning that they give you the exact amount of every active ingredient in their bottle. Many other companies are using blends to hide the fact that they're underdosing you so that they can save money. So I'm so happy that I found this company and that I found Shilajit. This product has been a game changer in my energy level. It is a clean and stimulant-free form of energy and focus, and I really appreciate that. And this last week, I went back to Chalk and I bought Apex, which is a glutathione supplement. And now that I'm dealing with perimenopause, I'm going to start using their Female Vitality Stack. This is going to help balance my hormones. So like I said, I reached out to the very friendly owner of this company, and he has graciously offered my viewers 35% off store-wide. This is an amazing discount. All you have to do is use my link and my code down in the description box. So I hope today I have given you cleaning motivation and some information. I'm leaving you this link to the playlist of my zone cleaning, and I'll see you again on Sunday. Until then, stay blessed, my friends.